Borowski and Borowski is a medical partnership between my wife, Jolanta Borowski, and myself, Walter, and we specialize in internal medicine.
So our practice, Borowski and Borowski, was established in 1986, and we have been providing medical care for our community ever since. Clover Assistant, it's a sort of health information exchange that gives an extra layer of information.
As far as medications are concerned, the physician will be able to know exactly how that patient is doing as far as taking his medications and other diagnoses that could have been recently discovered by another physician.
One of my patients has been hospitalized with very high potassium levels. It took us a while to stabilize him. When I opened the Clover Assistant, I realized the patient was on Entresto, which is a medication that significantly elevates the potassium. His cardiologist, who was not aware that the patient was in the hospital, put him on the Entresto. That could have been potentially a medical emergency or disaster. I said to myself, thank you, Clover.
Patients want to know that the doctor is aware of as many of the problems that they have. And Clover Assistant gives that opportunity for me to see all of this in a compact manner and also fulfill anything that I've overlooked. This computer program, Clover Assistant, is able to verify that all my diagnoses are up to date, because sometimes people see various doctors, right, and they don't tell us, and so they all have that information registered in the computer program, Clover Assistant, and so I can find a lot about what's going on with the patient outside of my own interactions with him.
Well, identifying disease earlier is a crucial point to determining the outcomes, and that would be true for anything. Take it either being a diabetes or high blood pressure or malignancy. These are all diseases that are very, very time sensitive. So the earlier you identify them, the better outcome the patient will have. Clover Assistant gives me the option to seek more information, making our lives easier and allowing us to deliver a better care for the patients.